Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're building a very simple LED tester using low-cost components. But the interesting part is how such a small circuit can generate enough DC voltage to test many different LEDs. Three 220 kilo-ohm resistors are connected in parallel to reduce total resistance and increase power handling capability. Parallel resistor formula. For three equal 220 kilo-ohm resistors, this project is compact, inexpensive, and easy to fit inside a standard power plug body. This gives approximately 73 kilo-ohm total resistance with higher heat distribution. One important advantage of parallel resistors is improved reliability under continuous operation. The indicator LED on the plug body acts as a power confirmation light. The diode converts AC into half-wave DC, allowing the tester to create a usable polarity for LEDs. Voltage-power relationship. This formula explains why resistors must handle enough power during operation. A major benefit of this design is simplicity. No transformer is required. Very few components are used. Compact size makes it easy to carry. Low cost makes it practical for quick testing. Half-wave rectification concept. With 220 volts AC input, the output DC voltage becomes high enough to test many LED types. Measured voltage across the probes is around 143 volts DC. The tester can light low-power LEDs, high-brightness LEDs, and many different LED packages. However, there are also limitations. This circuit is directly connected to mains voltage. There is no electrical isolation from AC line voltage. Safety must always be the top priority. Improper insulation may cause electric shock risk. This tester is practical for quick LED checking, but careful handling is extremely important. Thanks for watching this project from start to finish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics projects.